Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the compliances an LLP has to do under various legislations in India. Please remember, ignorance of law is not an excuse. So, the designated partners are required to be aware of all the legal and other compliance requirements an LLP should do from time to time. Immediate steps. Number one is LLP agreement. All the partners of the LLP are required to execute an agreement, and a copy of the same has to be filed with the concerned ROC in an LLP Form 3 within 30 days of incorporation. This agreement has to be on a non-judicial stamp paper, stamped as per Stamp Act of respective state where the LLP is registered. The delay in filing Form 3 shall attract a penalty of ₹100 per day. Number 2, application for PAN. We have to get a PAN number, so an application has to be made for the same. Similarly, TAN, application has to be made for the TAN. Then we have to open a bank account in the name of LLP. All the contribution of the partner as well as designated partners has to be put in the bank account. Next is the shop and establishment registration. Every business establishment is required to obtain shop and establishment registration within 30 days of incorporation. Next is the GST registration. Next, trademark registration. To provide complete protection to the business and trade name, registration of trademark is required. Next, appointment of auditors. If the capital contribution of an LLP exceeds ₹25 lakh or its annual turnover exceeds 40 lakhs, then we have to appoint statutory auditors. Now we come to the annual compliances. Every LLP has to file certain forms with the Register of Companies. These forms are: number 1, Form 11, which is an annual return to be filed in Form 11 every year within 60 days of closing of financial year. It has to be filed on or before 30th May every year. Next is Form 8, filing of statement of accounts or financial statements. All the LLPs are required to maintain their book of accounts, to prepare a statement of account every year ending on 31st March. For this purpose, Form 8 should be filed with the ROC on or before 30th October every year. An audit of account is mandatory under the Income Tax Act for LLPs whose turnover exceeds 40 lakhs or whose contribution of the partner is more than 25 lakhs. Next is the filing of income tax return. All LLPs are required to file income tax return with the Income Tax Department every year. In case audit is not required, then they have to file the ITR on or before 31st July, and in case audit is required, then we have to file ITR by 30th September every year.